Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Nissan Almera, stock number 6878. It's ran from 6/2012 to the 7/2014. It has an N17 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is an N17 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, 1 crease. Right hand door mirror. Right front 15-inch steel wheel tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,